The World Gold Council, WGC, is the leading global authority on gold, representing the gold mining industry and promoting the use of gold across various sectors. The Council collaborates with governments, central banks, and industry stakeholders to develop best practices in gold mining, production, and sustainability. Through its efforts, the WGC ensures that gold mining aligns with environmental and ethical standards, making it a responsible and valuable resource for the future. Gold mining and production have undergone significant advancements in the 21st century, driven by technological innovation, environmental considerations, and the need for greater efficiency. Modern gold mining involves a combination of geological expertise, cutting-edge machinery, and sustainable practices to extract and process gold responsibly. The primary methods of gold mining include open-pit mining, underground mining, placer mining, and heap leaching. Open-pit mining is used for large, near-surface deposits and involves the use of heavy machinery like draglines, shovels, and haul trucks to remove overburden and extract ore. Underground mining, on the other hand, is employed for deeper deposits and utilizes techniques such as shrinkage stopping, cut and fill, and block caving. Placer mining focuses on extracting gold from alluvial deposits like riverbeds and streams, often using methods such as panning, sluicing, and dredging. Heap leaching is a cost-effective method for processing low-grade ores, where crushed ore is irrigated with a cyanide solution to dissolve the gold, which is then recovered for further processing. The production of gold involves several advanced technologies and processes designed to extract and refine gold efficiently. Comminution, the process of breaking down ore into smaller particles, is the first step and involves the use of crushers and grinding mills. Gravity separation techniques, such as jigs, spiral concentrators, and shaking tables, are then used to separate gold from other minerals based on density differences. Flotation is another common method, where chemicals are used to attach gold to air bubbles, allowing it to be skimmed off as froth. Cyanidation remains the most widely used method for extracting gold from ore, involving the dissolution of gold in a cyanide solution and its subsequent recovery through carbon adsorption or zinc precipitation. Finally, electrowinning and refining processes are used to purify gold, with methods like the Miller process, chlorination, and the Wohlwill process, electrolysis, ensuring the production of high-purity gold. The World Gold Council continues to lead the industry toward responsible practices, ensuring that gold remains a trusted asset and material in a modern world. Through innovative technologies, advanced machinery, and a commitment to sustainability, the gold industry is well positioned to meet the demands of the future while preserving the planet's resources. African Gold Refinery, AGR, located in Entebbe, Uganda, is one of the largest gold refineries in Africa. It was established in 2014 with the aim of refining gold from East and Central Africa to international standards. AGR plays a key role in the region's gold industry, promoting transparency while creating added value for the industry. The gold refining process at AGR begins with the collection and quality control of raw materials, including gold ore and recycled gold from the jewelry industry. The raw materials are thoroughly tested using state-of-the-art equipment such as X-ray fluorescence, XRF, spectrometers, and fire assays to determine the percentage of gold and impurities. The raw materials are then melted using an induction smelter, where the gold is converted into a liquid form and impurities are preliminarily removed. Next, the gold refining process using aqua regia technology uses a special acid solution to dissolve the gold and separate it from other compounds. Finally, the gold is refined through electrolysis technology, helping to achieve the highest purity of 99.99%. AGR uses many advanced technologies to optimize the production process. The induction melting system saves energy and reduces gold loss. Modern analyzers such as XRF and ICP-MS, inductively coupled plasma mass spectrometry, ensure accurate analysis of the components in gold. In addition, AGR also has a wastewater treatment system to minimize pollution and protect the environment. All processes are monitored by automated software to increase accuracy and reduce risks. Oceana Gold Corporation is one of the world's leading gold mining and production companies, headquartered in Melbourne, Australia. With operations in countries such as New Zealand, the Philippines, and the United States, the company is not only known for its gold mining but also for its focus on refining and manufacturing of finished gold to the highest standards. OceanaGold's gold pouring process is designed to combine modern technology and sustainable practices, ensuring optimal quality and purity. The process begins with gold refining, where the gold ore is crushed and processed through steps such as cyanide leaching and gold recovery using electrolysis or activated carbon. After preliminary melting, the gold is transferred to a deep melting stage using a state-of-the-art induction furnace. This system uses alternating magnetic fields to ensure that the gold melts evenly at temperatures above 1064 degrees Celsius, while effectively removing impurities. Once the gold has reached a completely liquid state, it is poured into special molds using an automated pouring system. These molds are designed to produce gold bars of standard sizes, typically 1 kilogram or 400 ounces. The pouring process is strictly controlled to ensure accuracy in weight and minimize loss. After pouring, the bars are cooled with water or air, then polished and cleaned to achieve a perfect surface. The finished bars are thoroughly inspected for quality. Each bar is weighed accurately, while the purity is verified using an X-ray fluorescence (XRF) spectrometer. Information on the gold bar, including the company logo, identification number, and purity, is engraved using a state-of-the-art laser, ensuring transparency and traceability. OceanaGold uses a variety of advanced technologies such as induction furnaces, automated pouring machines, temperature control systems, and laser engraving machines to ensure superior quality for each product. The company's commitment goes beyond quality to sustainable development, with energy-saving and environmental protection processes. OceanaGold's gold products meet international standards such as LBMA, London Bullion Market Association, affirming its leading position in the global gold industry. Krasvetmet, a major Russian precious metals company, boasts a substantial jewelry division specializing in high-quality gold, silver, and platinum chains and bracelets. Their production process begins with meticulous alloy preparation. Advanced melting facilities, likely using induction furnaces for precise temperature control, combine pure gold with other metals like silver, copper, or palladium to create alloys with specific colors and desired properties such as hardness and durability. The core of Krasvetmet's jewelry production revolves around machine-made chains and bracelets. This process involves several key stages. First, the prepared alloy is drawn through a series of progressively smaller dies, often made of diamond due to their exceptional hardness and precision, to create wires of the required thickness. These wires then feed into sophisticated, automated chain-making machines. These machines are capable of interlinking the wires to form various chain styles, such as anchor, curb, and figaro, at high speeds and with intricate designs. After the chains and bracelets are formed, they undergo a series of finishing and polishing processes. Initially, the pieces are cleaned to remove any manufacturing residue, often using ultrasonic cleaning equipment. Polishing is then crucial for achieving the final shine. For white gold jewelry, rhodium plating, an electroplating process using a platinum group metal, is often applied to enhance whiteness and durability. Throughout the entire production process, strict quality control measures are implemented. This commitment to advanced technology and rigorous quality control enables Refinery to produce high-quality jewelry that meets international standards and solidifies their position as a significant player in the Russian jewelry market and a recognized name in the precious metals industry. Atlantic Precious Metal Refining is a well-known company in the field of gold refining and processing, specializing in processing gold from many raw materials, including pure sponge gold. The gold production process at this company uses modern technology, ensuring optimal quality and efficiency. The process of melting gold sponge and pouring gold bars at Atlantic Precious includes main steps such as raw material preparation, melting, molding, and product finishing. Gold sponge, a high-purity gold product, is tested by X-ray fluorescence (XRF) spectroscopy before being melted to determine the metal composition and remove impurities. Then, the gold sponge is put into a modern induction melting furnace, which uses alternating magnetic fields to heat and melt gold evenly and efficiently, reaching temperatures above 1064 degrees Celsius. This furnace is equipped with an automatic temperature control system to maintain ideal conditions for the melting process. Once the gold has reached a liquid state, it is poured into molds made of heat-resistant cast iron or special ceramic molds. The company's automatic pouring system ensures the speed and precise amount of gold poured, resulting in gold bars of uniform mass and size. After pouring, the gold bars are rapidly cooled by a water or air cooling system, allowing the gold bars to solidify quickly and maintain a stable structure. Once the cooling process is complete, the gold bars are put into an automatic polishing process to clean and remove any remaining impurities. Information such as the logo, identification number, purity, and weight of the gold bars are then engraved by a laser engraver, ensuring accuracy and durability. Finally, each gold bar is carefully quality tested by XRF analysis equipment to confirm the purity and metal composition. The company uses advanced equipment such as induction melting furnaces, automatic pouring systems, laser engraving machines, and XRF analysis equipment to ensure the highest product quality. Atlantic Precious is committed to sustainable development, energy efficiency, and waste reduction throughout the production process. The company's gold products always meet international standards such as LBMA, ensuring transparency and superior quality. The Perth Mint, established in 1899 and now owned by the Government of Western Australia, is one of the world's most renowned gold mining and refining plants. In 2011, the Perth Mint set a record for producing the world's largest and heaviest gold coin, marking a major milestone in the gold industry. This special gold coin weighs 1 ton, is 80 centimeters in diameter and 12 centimeters thick, and is made from 99.99% pure gold. The coin features a kangaroo, a typical Australian symbol, on the front, while the Australian coat of arms is on the other side. With a nominal value of 1 million Australian dollars, but the actual value of the coin is determined by the gold market price, this product is a symbol of the Perth Mint's advanced manufacturing technology and unlimited creativity. The gold coin production process begins with refining gold to 99.99% purity using electrolysis and induction melting technology. The gold is then pressed into its original shape using a high-powered hydraulic press. To achieve the perfect size and smoothness, the coins are rolled and smoothed using specialized machinery. The details on the coins, including the kangaroo image and the coat of arms, are engraved using a CNC system, providing perfect micron accuracy. Once the coins are finished, the purity of the coins is also confirmed using X-ray fluorescence (XRF) spectroscopy. At the same time, a special coating is added to protect the surface from scratches and oxidation, maintaining a long-lasting shine. The Perth Mint uses advanced technologies such as induction melting systems, high-powered hydraulic presses, CNC machines, and laser measuring equipment to ensure each product meets the highest standards. This is a symbol of Australia's innovation and commitment to quality in the field of gold making.